Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Axkid Modukid infant, an infant carrier that can be used from 40 to 75 centimetres, and that is birth to approximately 12 months. To install the seat in the car, you place it on the back seat at a 45-degree angle. You can achieve the angle because the base of these car seats is always slightly curved, so you can angle it depending on the shape of the seat of your car, but you're aiming for the baby's back to be at a 45-degree angle. Before you install the seat in the car, it's always a good idea to move the carry handle out of the way. You do that by pressing these buttons. There's one here and one on the other side. Press them both at the same time, fold the handle down as well as the hood. You then pull out the seat belt. Don't pull out more length than you need. Pass the belt under the first seat belt guide on this side. Then pass it under the second belt guide and buckle it in. And then to pull the belt really tight, I always like to put my foot in the footwell and then push against the back of the car seat with my leg whilst pulling the belt really tight. Give the seat a bit of a wiggle to get all the slack out of the lap belt. And then wrap the belt around the back of the car seat and pass it through the blue belt guide on the back of the seat. And then to fully tighten the belt, I always put my hand on the edge of the seat and with the other hand pull the seat belt in the opposite direction. So you're pulling both hands apart like this. So pull the belt as tight as you can whilst wiggling the seat to make it really, really firm. And then the final step of the installation is to sit the carry handle back in its upright position like this. The Axkid Modukid infant has a built-in side impact protection block here on the side, and you need to pull that out by pressing the button here on the back. Whilst pressing that button down, you just pull the block sideways until it clicks. And now that the seat is fully installed, you can see that the lap belt goes over the baby's legs, down into the buckle, and then the diagonal belt wraps around the back. And then when you open the door on the other side, you can see what the installation looks like from this side. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.